you really want to do the nice 6-unit aesthetic restorations, which is nowadays there's not many people teachings about the contour, the design of the tooth, and so we all looking at the CAD, just like CT scan, the digital design. So they did it, which is the crap. They don't know exact tooth format and contour compared to tooth size, exactly 10 millimeter, for example, from the gingiva to height of contour and all the way inside the edge and the facial aspect, and with the 3 dimension, especially symmetry and the incisor silhouette, which is none of people, I'm sorry, not none of, so there's a lot of people did not know, they just design nowadays. So I'm so glad not many people do that.